In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change multiple colors at the same time in Figma. We'll keep this simple and efficient so you can update a whole design in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Figma website. Once you're in, open your page or file so you can see your canvas and the elements you want to update. Give it a moment to load fully so all layers and assets are ready to work with. When your page is ready, highlight all the items whose color you want to change. You can drag a selection box around them on the canvas or hold Shift and click to add specific elements to your selection. You'll know it worked when you see the blue outlines and the selection count at the top. If you select frames, shapes, text, icons, or strokes, they can all be included. Just make sure you've truly selected everything you want to recolor. If you accidentally grab something extra, hold Shift and click it again to deselect. The goal here is to collect every object that shares the color you want to update so the change applies consistently. With those items selected, look to the right side of the screen in the Design panel. You'll see a section called Selection Colors. This panel shows all the unique colors detected across your selection, including fills and strokes. Each color appears as a small swatch with a number that tells you how many objects are using it. This is the key to changing multiple colors at once. Click the swatch you want to replace. That opens the color picker. From here, choose the new color you prefer. You can drag the sliders, pick from the spectrum, or paste a hex code if you have one. As soon as you adjust the color, Figma updates every selected object that used the original color instantly and in sync. If you see multiple swatches in selection colors, change each one that you want updated. Keep an eye on whether the swatch represents a fill or a stroke, and adjust accordingly so lines and shapes look the way you expect. If you change your mind, press undo to revert. That's all it takes. Open Figma, open your page, select the elements you want to update, open selection colors on the right, and pick the new color. This lets you make fast, consistent changes across buttons, text, icons, and backgrounds without hunting through layers one by one. Try it on a small section first, confirm the result, and then apply it to larger selections for a clean, unified look across your design.